Hello friends, welcome to the class on engineering drawing. So in this video we are going to solve another variety on projections of lines. Here line is parallel to the HP. So another variety, in the previous class we solved the line parallel to the VP. Here the line is parallel to the HP and inclined to VP. So the inclination with respect to VP it is called as what? Phi. Whereas inclination with respect to HP it is called as what? Theta. Okay. So it's a true inclination with respect to VP. See, that has been represented over here. So this line AB is parallel to which one? HP, whereas it is inclined at an angle of 45 degree. That is called as phi, inclined with respect to VP. Now how to draw this one? Okay, so let us collect the data. A line AB length 50 mm, that is the true length of the line. What is the true length of the line? It is 50 mm. Its end point A is 10 mm above HP. So this end point A is 10 mm above HP. Okay, 10 mm above HP and 20 mm in front of VP. From here to here it is how much? 20 mm in front of VP. The line is parallel to the HP. See, this line is parallel to the HP and inclined at an angle of 45 degree to VP. Phi. So that is represented as phi, inclination with respect to VP. Draw the projections of the line. Okay, so this problem we are going to solve. So I am going to first draw the top view. Why I am going to draw the top view? Because I am going to get the true length in the top view. See, when I draw the projection downwards, I am going to get the true length. What is this? I am going to represent it as AB. How much will be the length of this? So this length is 50 mm. Why it is 50 mm? Because it is parallel to the HP. I am going to get the true length of this line in the top view. Okay, so the true length is also 50. This top view is also 50. Next one, if I need to draw the front view, I am going to project it like this and also going to project it like this. So I am going to get A dash and B dash. So this front view is at a distance of how much? 10 mm. Okay. So after that we are going to rotate this by 90 degree in clockwise direction. So then we are going to represent it on the paper. So I am going to show it how to draw it. So first I am going to draw the XY line. Okay, so this is the XY line, VP and also HP. So first locate the point A, end point A is 10 mm above HP. So with the help of scale I am going to draw a reference of 10 mm above and 20 mm below. Okay, two reference line I am going to draw which is parallel to the XY line. This is the locus of A dash and this is a locus of A dash and B here both. Okay, so first we need to locate the A dash and A. It will be in the same line. So this is A dash and this one is A. See, inclination 5 is 45 degree. Where I can get it? In the HP. So from A I am going to draw a line which is inclined at an angle of how much? 45 degree. So what is the length of the true length? It is 50. Why it is 50 as same as true length? Because it is the true length AB is parallel to the horizontal plane. Hence in the top view I am going to get the true length. So I am going to take the compass. With the help of compass I am going to measure the true length, that is 50. With A as center I am going to cut the arc on this 45 degree line. So So this one is what? B. Okay. So next from B, I am going to draw the projection upwards. Okay. So this is a projection I am going to draw. So this is a B dash. Okay. So A dash, B dash represents what? Front view, that must be dark, and top view, that is AB, that must be dark. So this is a 45 degree. Okay. So what is the measurement from here to here? And here to here it is 10 mm, and here it is 20 mm. And also show the dimensions of this. So how much is this and all. It also carries the some percentage of marks. So this one is 50. And what is the measurement of this? It is, we need to measure the front view. It is coming around 34 or 35. Okay. So this is how we are going to solve the problem when the line is parallel to the HP and inclined to VP. Okay. So here I am going to get the top view, that is will be of true length because it is parallel. Okay. Thank you. Namaste.